that only two persons are speaking. One of the other, one is that word chewing gum, and other also speaking and screaming in between and troubling other child. Like today, what he did, poke a pencil in another's pencil box, so it was a hole in another's pencil box.
So does he have any other problem?
No, he just he writes very well, but if I am after him, he writes very well. But sometimes he's lost somewhere, not
No, when
taking out
you
this
said
book from the bag, not taking out his bag books from the bag. It's still there in the bag. He's saying, I'm not having the book. But when I search in the bag, the book was there in the bag. And troubling other child in between.
so basically the child needs love.
Okay.
He's not getting love from home. You
No,
have,
I think
do you find out
I
the family
yeah,
member
yeah, yes, ma'am. They are good. They are helping child. They are helping them, helping the child, ma'am. I talk to the
helping
parents as well. No, no,
helping may
they are
not be love?
no, not helping as well. They are with him.
There is
But
something
he's
else.
saying that, but he's saying that I need attention. That's why I do that way.
Yeah, he needs love. Simple. You start loving him,
Okay. Okay.
you give him more love than anybody on this earth can give. See, the least thing a person can give to somebody, a teacher, is love. I tell, पढ़ाना नहीं आता तो भी छोड़ दो, प्यार तो करो यार. बच्चे से प्यार तो करो. You have come to teaching field. And there is no dearth of love in a woman's heart, a mother's heart, or a teacher's heart. It only multiplies the more you give. You just love him, love him, love him, and see, you will come back to me after 1 month and say, ma'am, he's totally changed.
Wow.
I hope you understand the meaning of
Yeah, sure,
you
ma'am.
understand what it means to give love in class. Do you know how to do it? Giving love is
Connection
not
with the child. Connection with the
giving
child.
love is not kissing and hugging
No,
and this and
connection with the child, talking with the child, and having a connection with the child.
most first thing is looking into the eyes of the child. Second is as you walk in, you know there are X number of troublemakers in the class. So
Exactly.
as you walk in, you must call out the child's name and say his name is Karan. Just walk in, look at Karan, say, hey Karan, how are you? I love you, man. How are you? Did you have breakfast? Did you sleep well yesterday? When was it? Something, one line for him every day. You see the shift that had happened. Imagine you have a staff meeting and your principal walks in and says, hey, Shalini, hope everything is okay in your house. Everybody will look at you. Why ma'am is asking Shalini?
Okay, I got the attention. Exactly.
ये तो मैम की खास है. शालिनी क्यों पूछ रही is everything okay at home? Over?
Yeah.
You will also wonder, hey भगवान सबके सामने पूछ लिया. Imagine it is happening every day with the child. So I always say understand the nubs. बच्चे की nubs को पहचानो. एक excellent teacher वो होती है जो बच्चे की nubs पहचान. मैं तो curriculum के बारे में कभी बात ही नहीं करती. I don't know, everybody thinks पढ़ाना, curriculum complete करना is a big thing. I call it nonsense. करिकुलम करना तो बच्चा अपने आप करेगा जब तुम बच्चे के साथ कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. Some children I know who come online, they just want me to put the camera and look at them like that. They'll say, ma'am, we'll study, you just be there. Rupa is smiling. She also must be experiencing the same thing. They'll just say, you be there. We will study. I'm not doing anything in curriculum. I'm not teaching the child. I'm not doing anything. He'll say, you do your work, you be on the camera. Okay. Teenager, big children. I'm talking about teenager and college children. Love, attention, आई कांटेक्ट नहीं है बच्चों को. क्योंकि आजकल हम अपने घर में ऐसे बात करते हैं. हाँ बेटा बोलो, होमवर्क हो गया क्या? अच्छा. कब कब जाना है? कब? कपड़ा? अच्छा कपड़ा हाँ धोबी से लेके आ रहे हैं. अच्छा नहीं नहीं कल तक आ जाएगा. हाँ हाँ. Me too. I'm not telling any. Me too. I'm sometimes talking like this to my husband. या वो आज रात को मैं दे दूंगी. हाँ 1 मिनट ना ये फिनिश कर लेती. My mother and my father were not like this. When they talk to me, they look at me. They'll stop all the work and turn towards me and say, hello, I'm talking to you. Observe today's parents, today's teachers. Shailaja, smiling. All those who smile, I understand you acknowledge, you are resonating with what I'm saying. Yes or no? This horrible tool is very good and very bad. Very good for people who are professional, like me, like you, but very bad who are mothers. Correct? That's the reason.
Yeah.
Children don't get love, children don't get attention at home. Every time I have a session with the parent, I said, आपके husband बच्चे के साथ कितना time बिताते हैं? मैम रोज वो आने के बाद उनके साथ ही रहते हैं. ऐसा अच्छा क्या करते हैं? साथ ही रहते हैं. कब आते हैं? 8 बजे आते हैं. फिर 10 बजे तक बच्चे के साथ रहते हैं. क्या कर रहे? वो न्यूज देख रहे होते हैं, बेटा साथ में बैठा होता है. किधर है बच्चे के साथ? कौन है बच्चे के साथ? पलकी शर्मा या रिपब्लिक वाला? कौन है? पिताजी तो नहीं है बच्चे के साथ. बिकॉज पिताजी थक के आया, ही हैज टू सी द न्यूज और व्हाटएवर. द चाइल्ड इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू दैट. Where is the conversation? Where is the talk? Where are we finding out what happened in each other's life? What is the difficulty? Maybe the child is wanting to say something. पापा का न्यूज खत्म होगा, उसके बाद पूछूंगा. So I can't change home, but I can change my classroom. Can I?
Okay, sure, ma'am.
That
I'll
is
try
why I
my
say the
best.
classroom is so powerful place. You can become the jadugar of your class. That the child should say, they should go and tell the parents, अरे आपके पास कोई टाइम नहीं है, मेरी टीचर को देखो, मेरी सारी कहानी सुनती है वो. Become that teacher. Don't focus on completion of syllabus. That any normal teacher can do that. I am not interested in working on the normal teacher. Become unique teachers. जो बच्चा जिंदगी भर याद रखे कि भाई है, ये कोई चीज थी हमारी लाइफ की. Okay, Shalini, I think you got a
Yeah.
lot of
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.